I cheated on my diet.
You know, Stella, hot sauce on ice cream? Not bad.
Oops, pardon me?
Was that a Chihuahua?
No, that was Bucky.
Stop! Please stop!
Yes, let us not forget what happened to Coley.
Nice. Ah, he likes it. In fact, could you be a pal and pick us up another case? Looks...
Look out!
A slobbertooth. Here we go.
I ate the microphone. Sorry. I could buy it then. Oh, microphone.
Guess after all the excitement, you deserve a nibble. Is on the way.
Chicoletta, slow down. You'll get a tummy ache.
Chicoletta is the most glamorous animal in town.
Here you go, Thunderfoot!
I shipped Lance to outer Mongolia.
Dirty. Charlie, how come you're so, pardon the expression, pooped? How about food? Food is good.
Orange.
Charlie, that you?
Hi there.
Yep.
He picked my customers. He ate my pony.
He ripped my shot.